Hey guys! So many of you guys have been asking me if I have a course for beginners. Actually, for the last 4 months, I have been working on it and I finally released it. So now it's up on sale. Let me talk a little bit about it. So who is this course for? This course is going to take you from absolute beginner, whether you know how to read or not. So absolute beginner up to conversational level. So if you are absolute beginner or if you feel like you're not yet intermediate, then this course is perfect for you. I don't know if you guys know this about me already or not, but my passion is language teaching and language learning. I've learned more than 10 languages and I can speak more than 10 languages fluently. I've bought so many courses in the past for many languages and I've seen what is good in a course and what's bad in a course. And I've applied all my knowledge or my experience into this course. That's why I can guarantee that this is the best course, not just because I love learning languages and I've bought many courses, but also because I have taught many classes. I've been teaching Thai for more than 6 years and I have applied all the good things to my course. This course is a course that I would want to see if I were to learn a language. So if I were to learn Thai language from start absolute zero, this is the best course. This is the course that I want to see. For you guys to check it out, I've made lesson 1 and 2 and also 10 comprehensible input videos free to access. Just go to the course page. I've put the link in the description. There you can also find more information about the course, more details. And coming up is the video where I show you how the course is structured. Thank you guys for checking out the course and I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, leave it in a comment. So first, let's take a look at how I structured this course. I structured this in A0, A1, A2. A0 meaning complete beginner. So if you look here, A0, 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 these A0s are part of the complete beginner. And A1 is for beginner. So all of these lessons written here are all part of A1. And A2 is upper beginner. If you're starting this course from zero, meaning you know nothing at all, you're a complete beginner, I want you to take this lesson from the start. So start off with the first section, how to use this course, basics to know before the course starts, and then go on with a complete beginner. So let's take a look at what is inside. Each section has the main lesson. The main lesson has a black square here. So here, lesson 1, this is the main lesson. The quiz always have the pencil and the child lessons has white square. The child lessons are all in Thai, but the main lessons is explained through English. If you are a complete beginner, start out from the beginning. Lesson 1, quiz, child lessons, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go lesson 2, quiz, and then lesson 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, according to this order until you finish the course. But what if you're not a beginner and you want to skip lessons because you don't want to repeat what you already know? You can also do that. You can find what you already know and what you don't know by looking at the title of the lesson. So for example, lesson 1, it's written, the title is written, my name is Grace, I am Thai. What is your nationality? I am not Thai. So I name the lessons based on what I teach in the video. So if you already know how to say these, my name is Grace, I am Thai, blah, 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 then you probably already know what I'm going to teach in this lesson. So if you want, you can take the quiz to check one more time. You can also watch the child lesson, but not necessary. You can actually skip that. You can take a look at, maybe keep going and see, for example, lesson 3. Oh, you are American? Do you know how to say that? So think, do you know how to say that? If you don't know how to say that, then start from that lesson. Watch the main lesson, lesson 3, and then go one by one. The main lesson, quiz, 3.1, lesson 4, quiz, 4.1, 4.2, like that. I want to show you how the main lessons, the quiz and the child lessons look like. So for example, lesson 1. You have the video, and then when you watch it, after you watch it or while you're watching it, you can scroll down and take a look at the summary. I have the summary written down in all of my main lesson videos. I also have the verbs, the questions, conjunctions, and the words all written down in Thai, transliteration, and English. And you can listen to all these vocabularies in this audio. So click play here to listen to the words. And after you finish watching the video, you can go to the quiz to quiz yourself on what you learned in the video. And then after you're done with the quiz, go to the chart lessons. In all of the chart lessons, I will speak only in Thai. So you can turn on the subtitles right here. And when you click complete, the progress will be marked right here. So you can see your progress as you go on.